It's about a farmer, a rancher. You guys know what a rancher is? They have, Lee does. This rancher had lots of cattle and sheep and pigs and goats and had lots of animals on his ranch. And he was getting older and he needed some help. And so he thought, I am so tired every day of working with all these animals, I need some help. So he put a sign out at the end of his driveway, and help wanted. And he waited and waited, and nobody showed up. And then finally one day, somebody knocked on his door. And he looked, the rancher went out and he looked at the guy and he said, do you know anything about pigs? And the guy said, no, but they sleep really well on stormy nights. And that was the oddest answer he's ever heard. What do you mean? And he said, well, do you know anything about cows? No, but they sleep really well on stormy nights. That's the craziest answer he's ever heard. And he said, okay, how about tractors? Do you know how to run a tractor? And the guy said, no, but I sleep really well on stormy nights. Since nobody else knocked on his door looking for a job, the rancher said, okay, we'll give it a try. So he went out and he taught him about cows and pigs and sheep and goats and how to drive a tractor. And as the time went on, the guy was a pretty good worker. In fact, he got to really like the guy's work. And spring came, and one night a storm came up. And the rancher was laying in his bed, and he heard the storm, the thunder rolling and the winds howling, and he couldn't sleep. The rancher couldn't sleep. And he kept rolling around saying, I'm worried about the cows, I'm worried about the sheep, worried about the pigs, worried about everything out there in the tractors. And the storm was rolling in so fierce. And he said, I'm going to get up and get my helper, and we're going to go out and we're going to get the cows in, we're going to get the sheep in before this big storm hits. And so the farmer got out of bed, he went over to where the guy stayed, which was over by the barn in another house. And he knocked on his door. Come on, get up, we're going to go take care of the cows. Do you think the guy woke up? No, he slept really well on stormy nights. So he went over and he knocked on the guy's window. He said, get up, I need some help. I need help now. The guy didn't wake up. And he pounded all around the house, and finally the farmer gave up. He said, I'm going to go do it myself. And he was really mad at the helper, because the helper wouldn't get up. He slept really well. And so the farmer went out to the barn. The barn doors were all closed and locked up. He went inside. All the cows were right where they were supposed to be. He went over to the pig barn. Went in there, and all the pigs were sleeping and laying down right where they were supposed to be, instead of being outside running around. He went over to the sheep. They were all put away. And the tractors. Everything was put away and locked up in the shed. And by this time, the storm was rolling in, and the farmer was getting hailed on and rained on, and he ran back to the house. And he thought to himself, that is why my helper sleeps so well on stormy nights. It's because everything was done. Everything was put away. Everything was in its place. And you know, that's a good lesson for us. Sometimes if your toys get run over by the car, or if they get stepped on, or your mom trips on or falls, she's upset, isn't she? If they were all put away, she wouldn't have, you would never get yelled at, ever. If you guys did your jobs, you'd never get yelled at. And so the lesson of this story is, take care of your things and be prepared. Be prepared for whatever might happen. And I know it's kind of a big lesson to learn, but it's good to always be prepared and to do as you're asked to do and to take care of your things. And then you'll be much happier, and your moms and dads will be much happier too. So that's your story.